Hi, and welcome to today's lesson. So, in this lesson, we're going to go over the correct way to pronounce the following letters. This is the foundation of Afrikaans. So, if you understand how to pronounce these sounds and vowels, then you will never struggle to read or to present any presentation. So, make sure that you follow me in this exercise to ensure that you get the pronunciation right. So before you can start reading full words, books, and things like that, it's always best to start here to get your pronunciation, to be super, super perfect. Okay, so I've divided this into 4 lines. So line 1, those are the single vowels. Line 2, those are the long vowels. So whenever I say long vowels of lang vocal, this is what I mean. And then the last 2 are called diphthongs. So the first or the third line are sounds that are 2 sounds that are mixed up, and then the last line are 3 letters each. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so let's get started with the first line. So please follow after me to make sure that you get this right. So the first one is a, a. The next one is e, e. The next one is a. The next one is o, o. The next one is e. So this time around, I'm going to say these 3 words as well. You can repeat those after me just so that you can make sure that you're saying the right words. I'll also teach you how to spell the word. Even if you are in grade 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to grade 12, this is the best way to learn how to pronounce, because if you take it to basics, you just have that satisfaction that it won't be incorrect. Okay, first one, a, and the word underneath, kat, gat, man. Okay, make sure that the a is short. Kat, gat, man. Okay, the next one is a. A. First one, it, fate. It, fate. Bed, pen. Again, fate, bed, pen. Good. The next one is a. Vis, us, vis. Wit, lig. Again, vis, wit, lig. Good. Let's go to the next one. The next one is o. O. Short, powerful. O. First word is son, pot, fall. Make sure that the O is very strong. Okay? Son, pot, fall. Next one is a. Again, a. R, a, rug. So my R pronunciation is not is not the best, but please ensure that you are saying it the right way. R, a, rug. Hut, buck. Again, rug, hut, buck. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next line. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what the difference is between line 1 and line 2. So this one is called a long vowel. So it's ah. This is ah. This is ah. This is ear. A. This is ear. Okay, next one. Oo. Again, oo. Next one is u. Again, u. Okay, let's start with the names or the words. First one, naam. Next, lot. Last one, staan. Good. Again, naam, lot, staan. Okay, next one, ear. First word, een, been. geel. Do you see how they all sound alike? Een, bien, geel. Also the way you spell this. Let's take the first word. Een. So you're going to say een, een. B, een, bien. Geel. So when you pronounce this now, you need to pronounce the sound and no longer the two E's as separate. Next one, oe. We have loop, boom, roos. Again, loop, boom, roos. Okay, this is actually one of my favorites. Let's move on to the last one. U, u. It's as if you're making this, your nails are sliding through the chalkboard. So the first one is uur. The next one is muur, stier. Again, uur, muur, stier. Okay, let's move on to line 3. This is the most fun line because all the sounds here are very unique and you need to learn them properly. Okay, first one is oo. Next one is e. E. Next one is ear. Ear. Next one is o. O. This one, oi. Oi. This one, I. What's the difference between oi and I? Oi, your mouth makes a round shape. Oi. It's like you're in France. Oi. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so this one you must make your mouth a bit round. Oi. This one you must make your mouth wide as if you're smiling. So smile first. I. I. This one make it round. Oi. Oi. Okay, so let's start again. In oo, we have book. Say it after me. Book, schoen, vloer. Again, book, schoen, vloer. Next we have e, dier, sien, tien. Again, dier, sien, tien. Next one is ear, sien, dier, geet. Again, sien, dier, geet. Okay, next one is o. Oat, goat, soat. Again, oat, goat, soat. Next we have oi, oil, bruin, trui. Again, oil, bruin, trui. Okay, then the last one, smile first. I, reis, sein, trein. Good. Again, reis, sein, trein. Good job. Let's do the last line. I. Remember, if it's long, it's supposed to sound long as well. I. Ooey. Oi. You. Again. I. Ooey. Oi. You. Okay. Let's do the words. First word. Cry. Say it after me. Cry. I. Lawaai. Again. Cry. I. Lawaai. Next one. Oei. Koei. Stoei. Moeilijk. Moeilijk. Again. Koei. Stoei. Moeilijk. So no matter where it is in the word, as long as these 3 letters are together, it's oei. Okay. Next one. Rooi. Mooi. Voltooi. Again. Rooi. Mooi. Voltooi. Last one. This is eeuw. Again, eeuw. And it sounds like ew, gross. That's exactly how it needs to sound like. Okay, first word, leeuw. Second word, spreeuw. Last word, seer. Remember ear? Seer, leeuw. Again, leeuw, spreeuw, seer, leeuw. Okay, that was easy, right? Okay, do this exercise each and every day up until you master it. This is a sure way to ensure that you can read. Okay, all the best.